YouTube. Hi, YouTube. This is Cameron Simpson from TS Trades 101. How are you doing here today? Thanks for joining me here. I'm not a financial advisor, a broker. And yeah, let's jump on in here. So we're covering ticker symbol AMC, Entertainment Holdings. It is at $42.81 at market close. We didn't have the best day yesterday. It was down 13.23% in the red, but pre-market we're doing really good. We're up $3.16. We're at 55.96, 7.36%. So what this is telling me is today we could possibly have a bit of a gamma squeeze. This could go like hotcakes today. So saying that, this is the trends that we seen last time when we got that 190, 100% plus. These are the type of actions that we had the morning before in pre-market. So let's just get all set up here. And we're going to go over a couple things. We're going to cover AMC. We're going to cover a whole bunch of other stocks here. We're just going to wait for some more people to get online here. Just set up another server here on this smartphone here. Let's give me a minute, and we'll jump on in here, and we'll start ripping some stuff up on these stocks. Okay, so yesterday I had some trend lines drawn here for you guys. What are we on the 1 minute? We're actually going to leave these here. I'm actually going to leave everything the same as I did for yesterday. The reason saying that is I want to show you guys how good we do today. Okay, when this bell rings here and the market opens, we're going to be up in this area here. Okay, what was it, 46? Yeah, we will. 46. Okay, we're here at 42. So it says 46.06 right now. Yeah, we're going to be all the way up here. So I'm okay with that. 46, yeah, 46, 47 buck range in here when we open. So this is really good signs in the pre-market here. Went through a lot of volume yesterday. During after hours, we went through quite a bit of volume too. This is a little bit more than usual. We went through pretty much a half a mil, right? We overturned for a night. We overturned 44.8%. And yeah, that's all I want to cover on there. So anyways, welcome. I see a couple people on the chat here jumping in. People are slowly getting into the channel here. So good morning, everybody. How you doing? A little early. I'm still waking up too. This new job is crazy. It worked up to 14 and a half hours for me. It's a little crazy. So at least I'm still plugging away doing this for you guys. I told you I would, but trust me, I was thinking about, I don't know, maybe I'll just do it once a week, twice a week. But nah, I got to keep on covering this because we're already at 8.8%. So these trends, what we're seeing right now, are exactly what we seen when it went 80 to 90. So I'm very, very bullish on this. I am predicting, which I don't do this, as you know, I don't like to do this. We're going to have a really good day today. So this could put us back to where we were in previous days, like 4 days ago. It would be awesome. It would be nice in the $60 range. That would be so cool. So to get to the $60 range, we would have to be up about 45%. And we can do that. You know we can do that, guys. It's all about the volume, right? So anyways, let's jump onto something else here. I'm looking at the pre-market here. We're the highest, but GME is getting up there too. They're at $220.39 at market close. They're now a pre-market. They're at $232.05. They're plus $11.62. Beautiful stuff for GME. And they're at 5.27% in the green. That's a positive. So yeah, I'm going to keep the trend lines here, the horizontal trend line that I have going on. The reason why is I want something for you guys to go off of tomorrow or today when market opens. So I'm going to jump over. Let's check this out here. MicroVision. MicroVision had a really good day yesterday. For MicroVision, that is, right? They've been having a good day in the last couple days. Not bad at all. They're up. Okay, the market closed at $22.58. They're 6.26% in the green. And then the market closed. And they fought. As you can see, they fought like heck to try to get up even higher. But, hey, it didn't go that much. It was only in the red 0.13, which is just 13 like pennies. Three pennies, okay? 3 cents. So it's 22.55 is what you're sitting at right now. You cannot complain about that. That's good stuff. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave the trend lines here again. We're going to jump into some sundial here, guys. Okay, we always put this on the 30-minute chart, okay? Just because of the amount of volume that comes in. Okie dokie. So, what we got here is we're going to leave these trend lines here, and yeah, they had a pretty good day too. They held on, but after they went down 10%. But as you all know, excuse me, that this stock is very versatile. It'll like it'll go up 10%, down percent, up 20%, down 10%, up 20%. It's all over the place, sundial. It's because it's so cheap. A lot of people can afford big chunks. This is how it was when AMC and even GME, when it was back like a year ago. This is what it was like, right? Big volatile sweeps. So what I'm liking on this one, it was down. We're already at 3. Okay, pre-market we're at $1.07. It is up 40 cents, and is up that turns up to 3.88% in the green. So they've already recovered pretty much half of what they went down yesterday, and I can see a good day for the market. At least first thing in the morning, I see it. I see a very strong market. In the afternoon, I can see things tapering off a bit, but I can see it holding in strong. Okay, we're not going to lose that much. Some of these stocks will dip a bit, but I don't see a red market today. I can see a green market across the board. Maybe a couple stocks in the red, but that's about it. We're going to have a very bullish day on the market today. And we are going to cover BlackBerry. BlackBerry got hit again. Down, okay, market closed, or it was 16.81 is when market closed. They were down 8.14%. They got whacked a bit here. BlackBerry seems to get smacked around quite a bit. Like, look at this. This is purely ladder attack. There's nobody that was selling at this price. It doesn't make sense. Like, why would you sell this cheap? BlackBerry is a very good stock. I'm very bullish on it. I'm actually going to put some new positions in on this down the road. But you can see, like, look at that. That's unacceptable. Like, you're up to the $20 mark, right? A while back. And it's not good, man. This company deserves better. Okay, it's just that this thing's shorted crap, right? So yeah, let's jump. Let's check out some SOS. SOS. Okay, I want to check something. I don't think you can go. Yeah, you can't go on the. Put on the 5. Yeah, the 5 is a little bit better. 5-minute chart. SOS has done pretty good. Okay, they've been doing really good. They were up to like a $4.34. That's the peak from yesterday. It's like all over the place. These cheaper stocks, people jump in, and then they get a position and thinking that they're going to make lots of money, and they can, right? But then they don't realize that they're shorted really, really bad. Okay, the reason why they're shorted is from these hedge firms and hedge funds and all that stuff and big institutions. Okay, so a lot of traders will get in on this and they think, oh yeah, man, it's going to go up. It goes up. Yeah, it does. It goes up in big sweeps. It comes down in big sweeps. What goes up comes down fast. Like if it goes up straight up like on 3-4 candlesticks straight to the moon, it'll come down to the moon in 1 or 2. Okay. It's just the way it is. And that when it does that, that is definitely a hedge fund trading, speed trading, okay? Because nobody buys in unless it's an institution, but they won't buy in and then sell like within the next minute, right? They could do it over like the week or something like that, right? So you got to watch out for that stuff. And as you know, you can't predict that stuff. It's just be careful. That's all I got to say. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just try to limit yourself. Okay, maybe by this is something I was thinking about the other day. Is just I've had a lot of questions from. There's a lot of new investors. There's about 70% of the investors nowadays are new investors. Okay, they're new, as I mean they have only been investing for, it could be a couple months up to a couple years. Okay, I'm not talking seasoned investors. And these new markets are totally different, even for seasoned investors. We're not used to these trends. Usually a stock will like over time it will go down. Like in in segments, not like boom, 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 boom. It's like, holy crow, it's like a ride of your life, right? So you don't know what's happening from one day to the next, right? So just be careful. That's all. I know I always preach, but it's just that I don't like to hear the negative or sad stories or emotional stories to the worst. I like to see you guys make money. It's just that when you do make money, you guys you gotta think about what your exit strategy is. Okay, everybody has one. Okay, and if you don't, I know in the back of your mind you do have one, but if it's unrealistic, you should maybe invest less or take a position. Right, like when you're making a stock, say it goes up a couple 100%. This is what CS Trades 101, the Wolf Pack, does. This is our standard that we stand behind. Put it all in on a stock, right? As much as you can afford. And then if that stock goes up, say 100% or 75% or 150%, take 3/4 of it. Boom, out of there. And then leave a quarter. Then move on. You can reinvest if it dips and say it goes down 40-50%, then you reposition. Okay? And you can keep on doing that. That's called paper handing to some degree. Depends on how long you're keeping it for, right? Sometimes you can keep long on a stock for a year, and then you can do that, right? You might have to wait that long for it to go up. So that's what I do, and that's what you end up as a portfolio like this over it's been longer than that, about 8 months to a year now. Okay, so that little bit of education for the morning, yaddy, right? So, anyways, guys, we're not going to stay that long on this morning. We're just going to go over a couple stocks like I promised you guys. We're going to cover a couple more here. We're going to cover costs or naked. Then we're going to cover costs. I was looking at that ticker symbol up there. So naked, NAKD, and it's called Naked brand, and they're at 71.84, and they were down 7.6. This is a perfect example of a ride. Okay, look at this, up and down. So I know that when up here when it tanked, everybody's like, oh, because a lot of people will be up here holding the bag, right? And then they're like, oh my god, and then it just even goes down here like, oh, I lost like a lot, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars that you invest, right? And then it goes back up and you're like, okay, I'm sort of safe. And then in your head you're saying, okay, when it goes a little bit higher, I might sell, and then it doesn't. It levitates right sideways on you. It does a lot of side action. Okay, so there you go. There's the trends for the day, and it was sitting at $1.25 positive after hours. Okay, that was naked. Costs, same thing. Okay, it's been bleeding. Okay, start up here. You're sitting at a healthy number, and all of a sudden, by the end of the day, you're down 6.46%. That's it is. $20.62 was market close yesterday, and it bled minus 6.42. Okay, and then after hours, it went up a little bit. You recovered some of your money back. It was $25.16, and that was a 56% increase at a 2.27% in the green. Okay, so that's that. Clover Health Investments was $14.34 at market close. What a ride for you guys, you investors on Clove. There's a lot of people that are in on this right now, and that's why I said I put my caution flags in. I did not jump on board on this. I don't have enough guts to. Like, it's too wild a ride for me, right? It's just that those actions is just too much stress for me, losing that much money at once. I'm already having enough problems with AMC going up and down. But I already know because of the statistics that it's a false illusion on the screen, right? Things will straighten out. So, anyways, this thing was a heck of a ride. Like, it was at 28. Oh, no, we're on the 5 minutes chart. Sorry, guys. We'll get off of that. I won't mess you guys up like that. But look at this. Down. Okay, there's your recovery a bit. Just be careful. There's a lot of red in this stock. Okay, this thing did go for a heck of a run though. It was up it was up here. Like, look at that, way up here. This I can see recovering a bit. Be careful again on this one. These stocks are very versatile. I keep on saying that after stock. It's just that the statistics coming in and the reports I'm getting from people is there's not a lot of happy people. There's a lot of people that have lost money, okay, in the stock in the last couple of weeks. There's a lot of sad faces, okay? These things could take a long time to recover, especially if you're up holding the bag. I'm just telling you stories that's what happened on BlackBerry with me, okay, for a perfect example. And then I got other stocks down here. This BES, that's another one, right? Brazil Energy. Like, I'm in on $1.50 on that. I'm down like 90%, like off of $5,000. Yeah, it hurts. It sucks ass. But anyways, that's one of them. And this Fuse Energy. Watch out for this one too. I'm another into 5G on that one, right? I put $5,000, and then I'm only $2,000 out of that. That's all I have to my name now, out of that, right? So, but I have substantially recovered that money back in other stocks. I made double, triple that. But those are my learning curves. Those two stocks, I do not like those stocks. Those stocks have put a lot of stress on me, and so yeah, I just wanted to share that because I'm very transparent. Okay, guys. I'm just going to wrap her up here. If you have any chats that you want to drop, I can answer a couple questions before I jump offline here. I got to head off to work, and you do probably too. Okay? Have a good day. This is CS Trades 101, and I'll see you here tomorrow at the same time. We'll cover the same stuff. Okay? Wolfpack, keep it real. And if you want to hit the sub button down below, we're going to be covering this stuff every morning. And we also do news flashes, okay? And if you want your SOS sent out for AMC and MicroVision and VIS, what we're doing is we're sending out an SOS when this squeezes. So if you want a squeeze alert, so you don't have to pay attention to your phone, always looking at your phone every 10 minutes to see, is it squeezing, is it squeezing? I will be sending out a podcast. The only way to receive that is hit the sub button because I have no way of getting hold of you. That's the only way. Okay, there's some links down below, right down there. You can check out. You can use my broker, wealthsimple.com. It's a trading platform, zero commission. If you put $100, you have to put $100 or more Canadian in, and to activate that code. Once you activate that code, you get $10 free money, and you can use that to buy stocks. And there's also Wall Street Breakers we're affiliated with down below. The links, they're awesome links down there. Check them out, and have a great day. Over and out, Cameron Simpson.